This is CPM Precalculus Chapter 1, number 150. So given ax squared plus bx plus c equals to d times the quantity x minus e squared plus f, okay, given that these equal to each other, express a, b, and c in terms of d, e, and f. Alright, so on the left we have a x squared plus bx plus c, right? And a, b, and c are just constants being multiplied by x squared, x, and we don't have any x here. And on the right we have d x minus e squared plus f. And again we have d times this is being squared plus f. Okay, so d, e, and f are constants. Let's first off multiply this out, okay? And we have x minus e squared, so we can use, so that's going to be x minus e times x minus e, and we can use any method to do this. Right now I'm going to use FOIL. Looking at the first terms in both of these are x, multiply them together. Outside terms are x and negative e, so it's plus negative ex. Inside terms, inside here is negative e and x again, plus negative ex. And last terms are negative e and negative e becomes positive e squared. So that's equal to x squared minus 2ex plus e squared. Okay, so I'm going to substitute that in. These are both equal still. So it's going to be d times all of that, x squared minus 2ex plus e squared. And we still have the plus f. Okay? And the left hasn't changed. Now I'm going to distribute d. So I'm going to multiply d in. That's going to be dx squared minus, and then this is d times 2e. So it's 2dex. The order doesn't matter, but I'm going to just put it in alphabetical order because that looks nice. Plus d times e squared is de squared. And on the outside we still have plus f. Okay? So now that's equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Right? I'm just bringing that down. Alright, so multiplying by x squared, we have x squared here, right? Multiplying by x, we have x here and x here. And multiplying by just 1, we have this and this over here. Okay, so if these are equal, then that means what's being multiplied by x is equal. So that means a over here is equal to d over here. What's being multiplied by x must be equal. So that means b over here must be equal to negative 2 times de. And finally, c over here has to equal to what's being multiplied by just 1, no x, is going to be de squared plus f. Okay? And this is expressing a, b, and c in terms of d, e, and f on the right. Alright, so this, they say it's a challenge problem, but if you just do it carefully, it's not too hard. Okay? So this ends CPM Precalculus Chapter 1, number 150.